This is the service elevator at the Denver Union Station. I think it's part of the Crawford Hotel in Denver, Colorado. It's a KONE EcoDisc with KSS 500. I think this elevator's open to the public. There was another elevator was walled off or something. And I think that this one opened lower level, which is a 370 replacement button. Here you go down. It's a rough door. I don't know which floors are public and which are not. Which floor?
One. Thank you. Thank you.
This elevator's a little busy. Oh, there's one. Smells a little weird in this elevator. Long distance for here at 4. A little bit of pre-door. Guest hallway, go back down to 1. It's a basic stainless steel padded cab with black wall pads. Sounds like an EcoSpace to me. Upper stopping. Again, this elevator's a little busy. Longer chime than usual. Creaky door. Stop at every single floor. Oh well, you're back at 1. Closing it's gonna be